Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to secant of s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of s tan s ds. This one we change by u, and we have u square. Secant of s tan s ds we change by du. And this one we have r tan of u. And we put about c, that is about the constant. About u, that is about secant of s. Now let's go to the second one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosecant of s. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to negative cosecant of s cotang s ds. Next, because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left, and we have negative du equals to cosecant of s cotang s ds. So this one we change by u. This one we change by negative du. The integration of this one, we have negative arc tan of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.